Hello Kitty and me, let's read. Hello Kitty and me, let's read. Hello Kitty and her twin sister Mimi are practicing their letters. They're having so much fun. Now they're ready to go on an alphabet word hunt. Come along! Look closely and help them find all the letters. Can you find the apples on Hello Kitty's airplane? Apples. Apples. There it is. B. Do you see butterfly near Mimi's balloon? B. Butterfly. There it is. Good job. Can you find a clock and a calendar and some cookies? Let's see. Clock, calendar, and cookies. C for calendar. Calendar. Good job. Do you see a duck and a dish? There's a duck in a dish. Good job. D for duck. Duck. And see, is that an earthworm eating an eggplant? Eggplant. Earthworm and eggplant. Mimi helps Papa paint a fence. The flowers look so pretty. Fence. Fence. F. Fence. Fence and flowers. Good job. How many baseball gloves can you count? G. Gloves. 1, 2, 3. Home run, Hello Kitty. Hold on to your helmet, Joey. H. Helmet. Helmet. And Hello Kitty hitting a home run. Quick, find the ice cubes before they melt. There's the ice cubes. Ice cube. Hello Kitty and Joey like jelly beans. What color are they sharing? Jelly beans. There's the jelly beans. I see red, yellow, and green and blue. Good job. K. Hello Kitty and Mimi are flying kites. Mimi's kite got stuck in the tree. Who can help? K. Kite. Kite. Fifi loves lollipop. What flavor do you think she likes best? L. Lollipop. Lollipop. That looks like a strawberry. M. What is Mimi looking at through her magnifying glass? What animal do you see hiding behind the tree? M. Magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. Ooh, there's the moose. Oh no! A new baby bird has fallen from its nest. Hello Kitty will put it back with its family. N. Nest. Nest. Good job. Hello Kitty and Mimi loves to row their orange rowboat. Watch out, Mimi! An otter is swimming near your oar. Oh, otter. Otter. When they're finished rowing, they have a picnic by the pond. What's for dessert? A pie. P for picnic. Picnic. On rainy days, Hello Kitty likes to get cozy, read a book quietly. What do you like to read about? Q. Quietly. Quietly. R. Hooray! The rain is over. Now the rainbow can come out. R for rainbow. Rainbow. S. At the beach, Hello Kitty and Mimi like to wear sunglasses. What is hiding in their sandcastle? Is it a starfish? S for sunglasses. Sunglasses. Good job. T. 2 towels are blowing away. Catch them, Hello Kitty. T for towels. Towels. U. Umbrella block out the rain and they block out the sun too. U. Umbrella. Umbrella. Hello Kitty and Mimi have a snack after the beach. They like to eat vegetables because they are full of vitamins. V for vegetables. Vegetables. Good job. W. Time for bed, Hello Kitty. Waves good night to the stars from her windows. W. Window. Window. Mimi plays a song on her toy xylophone to make her teddy bear sleepy. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Hello Kitty yawns. Mimi yawns too. Good night, Mama. Y for yawn. Yawn. Z. Sleep tight, Hello Kitty and Mimi. Z for zzz. Z. The end. The end. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification bell. Also, check out my other playlists and videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!